Inserting symbols in MS Word document. So what is the symbols? Symbols and special characters are not part of the standard character set and therefore will not be found on the keyboard. So if you want to insert symbols and special characters in our MS Word document, we can click on Insert tab, and after that choose symbol option from the Insert tab. And here you can see multiple symbols. If you want to insert any symbols, you can choose the symbol and insert it. And if you want to insert multiple symbols in your MS Word document, again click on Insert tab and choose symbol option, and here choose more symbols option. And when you click on this option, a symbols dialog box will be appear, and here you can select the font of the symbol. यहाँ पे मल्टीपल फॉन्ट्स जो हैं आपको अपेयर मिलेंगे, आप कोई भी फॉन्ट ले सकते हैं यहाँ से। जो भी लेना है आपको। अब यहाँ पे मल्टीपल सिंबल्स हैं जो आपको कीबोर्ड में कभी भी अवेलेबल नहीं मिलेंगे। सो इफ़ यू वांट टू insert such type of symbols in your MS Word document, choose the symbol which you want to insert in your document, and after that click on Insert tab, and symbol will be inserted in your document. If you want to increase the size of the symbol, select the symbol and click on Home tab and choose the size of the symbol. Similarly, if you want to change the color of the symbol, click on the symbol, click on the color option and change the color of the symbol. Again, if you want to insert another symbol in your document, again click on Insert tab and choose symbol option, and here click on more symbol options and select the desired symbol which you want to insert in your document. Like if you want to insert this symbol, and after that you can click on Insert option. Again select the symbol and click on Insert option. Again click on Insert option, click on choose the symbol, and again click on Insert option.